We recently completed another residential landscape makeover in the San Pablo area of Jacksonville, transforming this backyard into a fully customized outdoor living space. The project included a custom paver retaining wall with a raised paver patio, a pergola, pet-friendly artificial turf, and decorative rock beds around the air conditioning unit, all designed to improve drainage and functionality while elevating the overall look of the property. After an in-depth design consultation, we worked closely with the homeowner to finalize a plan that fit their vision, budget, and lifestyle. Once permits were approved, our team got to work. We take pride in maintaining clean, organized job sites and delivering not just a finished project, but a positive experience from start to finish. We're grateful for the opportunity to create custom outdoor spaces like this and to enhance outdoor living for homeowners across Northeast Florida.